I wanted to show you something about saving electricity instead of producing electricity. One way we have done here in North Dakota is put in a mini duct heat pump. Right now it is 10 degrees below zero Fahrenheit, and that does not include wind chill. These units right here are supposed to go down to -20. We have not found that the case. About -15, then they become very inefficient. Just to let you know what the temperature is, I'll point right here, the wall. I just turned these on because it's been -23 degrees last night, and it's warmed up to -10. And just to show you, if I can get it focused on that, what kind of heat it's putting out at -10 degrees Fahrenheit. It's doing very well. So one of the things that we forget about, maybe some of us forget about, is that rather than producing, we should figure out ways of saving energy. One of the ways we figure it out here for our air conditioning as well as our heat pump, this costs about 1/4 as much as a resistant heater, electric heater that we have in our furnace. But it's got to be warmer than -15 degrees below zero Fahrenheit.